Sometimes, on your Apple iPhone, you might want to restrict certain apps from using your mobile data. We're not talking about completely turning off mobile data, we're going to explain how to stop specific apps from using it on your iPhone. To do this, open Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll see an option called Mobile Service. Tap on it, and as you scroll down, you'll find Mobile Data. There, you'll see a list of apps and how much data each has used, measured in GB. If you scroll further, you'll see an option to show all apps. This lists every app on your smartphone. From here, pick the app you want to restrict mobile data for. For example, if I want to block an app from using mobile data, I just toggle its switch off. Once you do that, the app won't use mobile data anymore, but it'll still work on Wi-Fi. You can repeat this for other apps as needed. This is how you can easily restrict certain apps from using mobile data on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.